The holidays are right around your corner, and that means travel and adventure. And what better way to retain these memories than to record them on your swanky new GoPro action camera? Well, now that I have convinced you that you need a GoPro if you don't already have one, well, you don't need a GoPro. You need oxygen, food, water, purpose to exist, that stuff. Or an action camera. Well, that's close enough. Knowing this exactly well, GoPro launched their 2022 Hero 11 Black in 2 different editions in September, and a Hero Mini launching this Tuesday on October 25th with an option to pre-book right now. We'll go over the differences, the right way of getting one, and yes, there's a right way of getting one, which is significantly better than all the other ways, what comes with it, and what to expect when you get one. You can get these latest generation of Hero Blacks in 3 different editions: the regular Hero 11 Black, Hero 11 Black Creator Edition, and the Hero 11 Black Mini. The regular Hero 11 is just that, the regular GoPro that everyone is familiar with. Creator Edition adds an external microphone or media mod and a LED light with a diffuser called the Light mod. You can add these separately to the regular Hero 11 Black too. The Hero 11 Black Mini that launches 3 days from now packs everything that the Hero 11 has, but in a smaller footprint, weighing just 133 grams compared to 153 grams or 5.4 ounces of the regular Hero 11 Black, and it lacks a touchscreen display on the back. So what's the right way of getting the Hero 11 Black, you might ask? Can't I just get it off Amazon or drive over to the nearest Best Buy? Well, you could, but then you would spend the same amount of money to get significantly less. The best way to get a GoPro is from GoPro. Let's take a look at it. Amazon has it for $449, which is 10 below the retail price, which gets you just the camera. The Creator Edition is priced at $649 and doesn't have the Mini listed just yet. Best Buy matches Amazon for both and has the Mini available for pre-ordering for $399. But if you head to GoPro.com, you can get the regular Hero 11 Black for $399, and for $449, you could get an accessory bundle along with it, which is basically a spare Enduro battery. Believe me, you're gonna need it. The handler, which is basically a selfie stick, a head strap, and a quick clip. Finally, a 32 gig SanDisk memory card. Beyond that, you get 1 year of GoPro subscription, which itself is worth $50. The subscription, apart from unlimited cloud backup, gives you some discount when you purchase accessories for your GoPro, but the most important feature is right here: a no questions asked camera replacement in case you damage your camera on one of your adventures. You need to return the damaged camera to GoPro, so you need the original unit and cannot have it sink away in a lake. And the fine print says it's not free, and there's an incident fee of $99 for replacement. But from what I've heard, GoPro usually waives that fee off. Your mileage may vary, of course. You get the same accessory bundle when you get the Hero 11 Black Creator Edition and a $100 discount on the Hero 11 Black Mini, which does include the subscription but not the accessory bundle. I ordered the regular GoPro Hero 11 Black and chose free shipping. GoPro recruited UPS to toss the package at my front door 3 days later. It's an action camera, it's meant to take this. I plan to start using this camera tomorrow for one of my adventures that I'll soon be posting about. Be sure to hit subscribe to be notified when I post next. And if you liked the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Until next time.